Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Control Center immediately. Swipe down from the top right if your iPhone has Face ID, or swipe up from the bottom for a home button device. Do this now so you can act on controls. Once done, notice the grid of icons and long pressable tiles. These are quick toggles. Make sure your screen isn't in guided access, and if you need lock screen access, check Settings, right arrow Face ID and passcode to allow Control Center on lock screen. Now customize your Control Center so it matches your workflow. Open Settings, tap Control Center, then Customize Controls. Add items like screen recording, magnifier, or low power mode, and remove what you never use. Once added, reorder buttons by dragging the handle. Put the ones you need fastest at the top. When using the center, long press or press firmly on a tile to reveal expanded options. This gives you sliders and extra actions without opening the finish by practicing the actions. Single taps toggle things on /off, long presses open extra controls, and sliders adjust volume or brightness. If a tile won't respond, restart your iPhone first. That resolves most glitches. If problems persist, toggle Control Center off and on in Settings or update iOS to the latest version. This often fixes stuck controls. If nothing works, reset all settings as a last resort, but back up your device first to avoid losing personalized configurations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.